Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are met. Update the game, confirm the chapter that drops Metal Macho cat, and stock at least 500 cat food and required XP. Once done, position a mid-range lineup that handles metal enemies and fast runners. You want sustained damage, not a glass cannon. Begin the stage with economy units to farm currency quickly, then swap in anti-metal attackers as the first armored waves approach, because timing early unit deployment prevents wasted resources. Next, you focus on the complex mid-game. Maintain a rotating meat shield while charging at least one high-damage anti-metal attacker and an area hitter for crowds. Once the Metal Macho cat appears, stagger your spawns so you never overcommit. This preserves funds for clutch buys. Make sure to use any damage boost or ability just as its shield phase starts, because breaking the shield quickly reduces the duration of its hardest attacks and creates openings to push for capture. To finish, you execute the kill and capture window. When Metal Macho cat's shield collapses, summon your highest single target damage and use rapid support to prevent recovery, because quick pressure converts damage into capture probability. Make sure to keep 200 to 500 currency in reserve to respond to sudden pushes. If you fail, reassess. Increase attacker levels, swap for ranged options, or add slow/antidote units to counter status effects. This troubleshooting step often...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.